Welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm going to be making for you guys some peanut and plantain porridge. Yes, I grew up on eating, drinking peanut porridge and blend with plantain. You know what I mean? So today we're going to make peanut and plantain porridge with coconut juice. No milk, just coconut milk. You know what I mean? So over here are the ingredients. My peanut right here, my plantain right here, my coconut, my almond extract, my vanilla extract, my nutmeg, and my ground cinnamon. Okay, so over here is the bowl that I'm going to be cutting up my peel my plantain in, cut them up, and here's just a cup of water, and here's my blender, my cooktop, second time using it, and my pot with some water in there as well to get the process on the way. Alright, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead, start peeling up my plantain. And with the plantain, just make a cut at the top, run it down the side, cut it at the bottom again, and peel it. Very simple. Very simple. As I said, all this gonna go in the blender, so you ain't got nothing pretty. Nothing pretty. These American plantain, you know what I mean? They're different from ours in Jamaica, because they don't give so much trouble to get out the skin. Alright, so we're gonna do this one for you. Alright, so just like that, it's finished. Just like that. Alright, so we're gonna cut them up now in this bowl right here. So you're just gonna make them like in cubes. So you're gonna cut down the middle, then you run it across again, so you have 4 parts. So you're just gonna go in now and just dice them like that. Nothing hard for the blender to blend. Yes, and that should be that. I said this is real easy, quick and fast. Let me turn on my cooktop in the meantime. Put it on hot, 460. And she's off. I got 3 cups of water in that already. This one came a little bit faster than the first one. Yes, so as I said before, down the middle, then you hold them 2 together, then you down the middle again. So you got 4 equal sides. Dice. Simple, nothing hard. Alright, and that's it now for the plantain. These are trash, so these go over here until I can dispose of them. Alright, so we're going to go in now with the plantain in the blender. You don't need to wash your plantain, guys, they just come out the skin. You don't need to wash. So I'm going to go ahead and add my peanut. Like a lot. Hope I'm not overfilling my blender. Alright. blender is a very sophisticated one. Alright, then we'll see them again. Yes guys, and if you have like oats, you can add oats to the mix. Cornmeal, you can add cornmeal to the mix. But today I ain't gonna do all that. I'm just gonna keep it simple, but I'm just telling you guys what you can add to your mix for your taste. You can work with plantain, you can work with green banana. Just, and I'm telling you, it tastes awesome. Alright, so I check my mix. Ooh, creamy. That's exactly what I'm looking for. The consistency in it. Very creamy. Very creamy. I really want to use all the peanuts, so I'm thinking about pouring out some of this and then pour some more peanuts in it and blend all the peanuts, because peanuts is the key ingredients in this recipe. I might just keep it at that. I don't think I'm going to do all that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and got the pot boiling. Come across so they can see the pot. Yes, the pot is boiling up, so I'm going to go ahead and pour the mixture in it. So meanwhile you pour, you got to stir because you don't want it to stick to the bottom. You don't want it to stick and you don't want it to lump, because if you pour and you don't stir, you're going to get lumps in your porridge. And nobody wants no lumpy porridge. Nobody needs no lumpy porridge. Yeah, so you got to stir. I don't think I'm going to use the rest of peanuts, guys. It just look like enough already. Just pour some more water in the blender. So I'm gonna just shake out my blender cup and add it to the pot. Yes, people. This is what you're looking for. You see the consistency? No lump. No lump. You gotta keep stirring. Ain't nobody want a lumpy porridge. Lumpy porridge nasty. So at this stage now you can go ahead now and add your cinnamon. Some people put it in. I like to really put it in when I start though. Like just put it in the water, but now I'm just gonna add it. And don't worry that it get dark, because as soon as you put the coconut milk in there, it's gonna go back right to that color that it's coming from. Yeah, so you're just gonna add like a teaspoon, yes, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to this. Females, look keenly on this porridge right here, because guess what? You see this porridge right here? This porridge right here. If you make this for your partner, you will definitely get back the payback in the bedroom. Okay? Yes, this porridge is for the stullers, you know what I mean? Your long distance stuller. Yeah man, this porridge here. For today we gonna name him Bedroom Bully. Alright, so with all that stirring, I shouldn't get no lump. So I'm gonna go ahead now, break my coconut and cut him up and blend him so we can add our coconut milk to it when we come back. So stick and stay. Bam! So I break my coconut, extract the meat from the shell, cut them up. Now they're in my blender. Pour me some water in there, so now we're gonna get the blending process underway. So we're gonna blend him up now. What's going on right there?
Cut up again.
Oh my blender. Guys, it seems like, oh, I'm just gonna say what's going on. Alright, well everything good now. Alright, let's go. That was a false start. Let's go now. Real time. Real time, guys. Ever since I get my cooktop, I love to cooking on the outside. You know what I mean? Inside the kitchen is okay, but in there hot. So on the outside, fresh breeze coming through. And the kitchen this for now. Stop. Go again. Yeah man, we are whipping them out smooth. When you whip them out smooth, you get more juice out of them. Yes guys, so we're going to finish up the blending, so when we come back, we'll show you when we're adding the milk to the porridge itself. Stick and stay again. Yes guys, so welcome back. We'll check the porridge now. See what's going on with him. Look alright. Give him a little one star. Yeah, not burn or nothing. I don't feel nothing. I don't feel nothing at the bottom of the pot. So now we have to add away coconut milk. Yeah, man, we're going to add the coconut milk. So, I'll leave this now for go on boil now. Turn up my flame. Yeah, man. Turn up the flame, man. Yeah, man, that's the consistency. Same. No lump. Absolutely no lump. Alright, so we'll go ahead now and put in with vanilla. I mean, put in a tablespoon. That should be that. So that's vanilla gone in. Now we reach for the almond extract. Yeah, man, these nice flavors for the porridge. Another teaspoon right there. This is your ground nutmeg. This is a new bottle, so I'm gonna go ahead, pop this off, get in there. It smells wonderful. Yes, sir. This is your spice. Just go ahead and, like your grater, a nice teaspoon. Then you go ahead again and stir up. As the legend would say, stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Yeah, man, stir her up, man. Remember, you know, this is the porridge that made the baby. You know what I mean? That's why we refer to it as the bedroom bully. Yes. Alright, so last but not least, we're going to add some salt to the mix. Alright. I'm not going to put no salt just like I put the other ingredients. I'm just going to put it in my spoon. So I'm going in with a tablespoon. Going with a tablespoon. Make sure everything comes out the spoon. Alright. Yes, so you see the consistency. Yes, so once this start boil up now, I'm gonna get back the real body there. The real body them will get that real body like him go Dr. Miami. Alright, so kind of cover him back half open. Half open. And we will be back. When we come back, it's going to be time to add the sugar. Not much because we don't want it too sweet. So we're going to add the sugar. And maybe leave them again for another 5 minutes and then it's plating and eating time. So stick and stay. Alright guys, welcome back. So go in now on, because now is the time we're going to add the sugar. So we just give them a little stir. You know what I mean? A little stir on earth. Just to keep on make sure that consistency is still in line. So we're going to add a half cup of sugar. You know what I mean? Couple spoonful. Yeah, but guess what? That one changed the look of it all entirely. Because the sugar the black. But trust me, it's going to taste good. Sugar is strong too. You don't add some granulated sugar to it too as well, but no. I'm going to keep it right here. Because just adding this, I see the color change. And I know the strength of this dark sugar. So I'm going to keep it right there. I ain't going to add no more sugar to it. No more sugar when I add to it. So I'm good right where I'm at, right there. Ooh. Alright, so you know what I'm going to happen now? Just right there. I'm going to give him a test right now. Alright. Oh God. It's good. It's damn fine. And as I said, females, if you need a little son of the house, make the porridge for the husband, the old man, the hubby, the boyfriend, whatever you call him. Because guess what? This one pop out the baby them in no time. Okay? So when we come back, I'm going to do the plating. And I make my brother where I him around the camera, I make him do the testing and tell me what it tastes like. Remember, coconut milk. No dairy, nothing, no inside of it. We use coconut milk. Okay? So when we come back, we're going to run the tasting, the plating and the tasting. So stick and stay with us as it unfolds. Alright. Alright guys, so welcome back. So the tasting of the porridge and the whole analysis is about to go down. So dig on in, Stone, and tell me what's going on in.
I'm gonna taste this porridge. This porridge was for breakfast, but it's now past lunchtime, so I'm going into it. So it tastes. Tasting very nice.
Yeah?
You can taste it. Coconut flavor.
So what about the other spices?
Vanilla is up. Can tell you. And the cinnamon. Very spicy. The porridge is very spicy, delicious. friend thinks you'll take this recipe and try it for yourself. Yes, bro. Doing a thing, man.
Well, guys, well, that's it for the porridge. So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. You have anything you want to say, Mr. Francis?
Leave a comment. Try it. And do it for yourself.
All
Good
right.
recipe.
All right.